Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I transferred from SCC. I'm an applied mathematics major at Cal State Fullerton, and today I'm just going to be sharing a little bit about my experience with research. So before I started conducting research, I really had no idea what it was. I'm a first generation college student, and honestly, I didn't even know if it was something that I was capable of doing. However, quickly after I started working, I realized that it's something that any student is really capable of doing. So everyone's experience with research is a little bit different, but essentially the goal of a research project is to find a solution to an unanswered problem. So for me, or other math majors specifically, we do what's called dry lab research, which just means that we can do our research wherever, we don't need to do it in a lab. So what I would do is I would meet with my research advisor about once a week, and we would talk about concepts that we thought were beneficial and that would help us get further along in our project. And these could be either new concepts or ones previously learned in our calculus classes or things like that. Then that way, for the next week, I would have a task to work on, and for our next meeting, we could talk about my findings, or we could discuss where I got stuck and why. And since I don't need to be in a lab to work on my research, this was something that I could do anywhere at any time, just using my laptop and the programs that I have downloaded on it, specifically MATLAB, Mathematica, and Python. So originally I got into research because I got into a program called GRAM. GRAM is similar to other programs like McNair, MARC, and LSAM because it's a graduate readiness program that introduces students to research. And thanks to GRAM, I met my current research advisor, Dr. Brubaker, and we worked on a couple projects, but our main one involves creating a mathematical model to help us understand the behavior of surface tension-induced folding on a small-scale system. My experience with this project and then the other small one that I mentioned, I had tons of opportunities that I don't think that I would have had otherwise. I was funded to go to several conferences, including the Joint Mathematics Meetings, which is the largest national mathematics conference, and there I won an award for an outstanding poster presentation. And then I even got to go to SACNAS last year, which was in Hawaii, so that was awesome to say the least. In addition to conferences, I also had the opportunity to conduct research at Cornell University last summer, and I really just think it's a culmination of all of these experiences that helped me get into grad school. So in the fall, I'll be starting my PhD at UCI in their Mathematical, Computational, and Systems Biology program. And yeah, that's all about me and my research experience. Thanks so much for listening.